far off.
Yeah, it was a really interesting lecture. Ash had some very engaging stories to talk about and some good cases which highlight some things that we should be aware about when it comes to orthodontics.
Got like a few cases about what not to do, what to do. Get some insights into what can go wrong and how he's fixed it, which is really interesting, where you see what the specialists do and what we general practitioners can learn from as well, to do and not to do. Yeah.
It was entertaining and I think pretty good for a Thursday night after work.
Yeah, it's a pretty casual one, which is good. It allows people to socialize around the Geelong region, get to know everyone a little bit more. And I guess because it's so casual, it's easier to ask him questions without being scrutinized. In a sense that when you go through a proper lecture, you feel shy to ask any of these harder questions here and there.